Hi everybody, it's Gagajoy, and it's Gagajoy cooking, and I'm glad you stopped in today. It's a hot day here, and my little dog is wanting me to sit down with her, so I'm going to make a quick recipe that I'm going to use tonight. It's just simply baked onions. It's a wonderful side dish for a barbecue or any kind of eating out. I never brought any home. Now you can put it in a bigger dish and make a great big dish of it, which is wonderful. This one is like a little medium dish. And you don't have to have any size onion, just any onions you have, because they're good, sort of different sizes. Sort of fills in the holes and the blanks, you know. I put butter on the bottom of my dish. And on the sides, a little piece of, may even have to have more onions. And I thought just to make it pretty, I'll put a little red pepper in it. You don't have to. Or you can throw different colors in there. Now let's put a little bit of butter right in the middle there. I can't get that anymore now that I'm trying it. I'll put a little bit of pepper. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of water in the bottom. I think I'm good. And I'm going to let them cook for about 20 minutes. Doesn't take long, just to steam them. And then bring them out, and we'll put some cheese on them. And then you've got a nice dish for barbecues. Or anything else you want to put it in. Be right back. Very hot. My glasses. Well, you can see, I took it out about 10 minutes ago and put the cheese on it, and it sure looks good. Let's see. Let me give it a plate and taste it. My house smells so good. And this turned out so pretty, but now remember, you can make it bigger or littler, because there's so few things that you put in, you can make it either way you want it. And it's one of my favorite things. Baked onions. Goodness, it's so good. Well, that was not a real big recipe, but it works. Take it to a cookout this weekend. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Remember the joy.